What's up guys? Today I'm going to add this RC crane to my construction vehicles collection. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye is hanging out down here with one of his toys. Little after dinner snack. Little after dinner snacko down there. Well, he's taking a nap. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. If you're new to our channel, just know that we have over 1,400 videos of family-friendly fun with a whole family from kids to adults to just kids at heart can tune in and not have to worry about all the worries of the world. We just kind of zone out into Adventureland with RC stuff, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. I'm really excited because it's so windy outside. We really couldn't do much outside, even with trucks, because it was so windy that it would just sound bad for you guys. So we're playing inside today. This is good for the year round. If you're up there in Canada, some of our viewers in Canada, you guys get snowed in a lot more than us, and this would be fun for you, or really just anybody. This is an RC crane, and it's about...
Yes. Can we help you?
Here, buddy. Come here. Come here, Popeye.
He's like, I know you all are about to mess with some of my toys. I just know it.
Huina toys equals Popeye gets chased around and his toys get played with and stuff. Thank you for sharing, Popeye. You're your choice. You're your choice. Well, you don't have to be snowed in to play with this. That's why we're going to have some fun today. Now, this is probably like the 6th or 7th or so RC construction vehicle that we're adding to our collection. This thing is about $60, maybe right under $60, which is insane. Come on, let's get real here. This has a rechargeable battery and charger. It comes with everything except for 2 AA's and a transmitter. This looks so cool for even like $100. Now it's remote control. We're just gonna have some fun with this. We'll talk about what comes in the box as we get going and stuff. I'm always so happy with the Huina toys, and I am just really pumped to have this in the collection now. So let's get going. I want you guys to see this. This is part of the fun. I think it's really cool that the battery hatch on this one, unlike a lot of them, is just right up here on the top. So you got your rechargeable battery. Just put this puppy in here. I just think that's a cool place to put the battery. We're gonna turn that sound off.
You just never know with Huina what the sounds are gonna be.
This is all going to be some trial and error, but this is the first button I press, and it's doing a pulley system back here. And check this out, get a really close shot of this, Abby, because this is really cool. All of these are not just for looks, it's a real pulley system going. There's a gear in here. Listen, say this one's moving faster than this one, moving faster than this one, moving faster than this one. All right, Abby wanted me to show you guys a close shot of this. Now look, pay attention, because this is the real deal. This string is going to move faster than this one, moving faster than this one, moving faster than this one. So check that out. See how fast that one's going compared to this far one?
I don't know if they can tell. It's hard to see.
It is hard to see it, but that's so cool that the pulley system is really working, and the whole crane is raising up. Look at that. So that is raising up this whole arm to go higher, right?
You're right.
Can you see that?
Yes.
Oh, come on. This is exciting. I know it's
It's just weird how you said that.
Now look how, see this is lowering the hook.
Okay.
So let's actually, it comes with this log, so that's really neat. I'm gonna have to raise that up some. Let's watch it lift that log up. You can have fun like lifting all kinds of different things, but now we should be able to like swing this and knock some stuff over.
Let's do it.
That's gonna be fun. Let's get right to that. Did we put these away in here the right way, Abby? Nice! We'll knock this over too. Okay, alright. I've not hit any other controls other than these arrows, so let's just kind of swing this around. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's, I want to make sure I get this. Calculate this. It's all scientific.
I might need some more weight.
Oh, I don't need more weight. This is going to go down.
Alright.
Get it, yeah! Oh, come on! It's doing it! That's a tough Jenga tower, Abby.
I'd say just run it over.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we need. Oh, I can get more speed like that.
Oh
okay,
my
here we
God.
go. You ready? I know what I'm going to do now.
Okay.
Oh, no. There goes the tower.
Do you have to scream every time?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm damaging it like crazy. Look at it.
Oh my gosh. Look at me. Ah, you hit the camera. I gotta restack this before you don't die.
Yes. No. This has like concrete. Now they gave you one of these little toy logs hollow and one of their log grabber toys, and then this one I think they used almost the same plastic mold. They literally just filled it with concrete. There's concrete in there. So they took a child's toy, filled it with concrete. Now there's weight to it, and you can put it on there and swing. Jingle block tower, that was hitting kind of low. Maybe I should have hit higher or something. But this is cool. I love this. Let's see if I can pick that log up with the hook. I wish this had like a
right.
Oh my gosh, a claw at the end that you could control. That'd be really advanced though. So these joysticks, they can drive forward and back with the tracks, and if this is probably going to slip a little bit. But there you go, see, climbs right over that stuff. They always do. They always do. Oh, okay. I could have saved that probably if I would have put the crane down some. It can climb, which is really cool. Then these arrows are what raise and lower the arm and the hook, so we can lower it at the same time. It's really awesome. These shoulders swing the whole thing around, and then we have a couple other buttons that I haven't hit yet. So I want to try that.
Everybody's just waiting patiently for this to just magically hook onto this.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! You can do this. Oh man, this is gonna be so satisfying. Go forward a little bit. Make it go forward. Here you go. Oh, you knocked it down. No, you can't do that.
Yes, I can.
Okay, I thought you were gonna put it on it. So close. This is intense. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, Abby.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what to do.
Get it closer. Drive forward.
Oh no.
Drive forward.
No. I can lower it.
No, drive forward.
I lower it. I'm telling you, I know what I'm doing here.
Drive forward.
I know what I'm doing.
No.
Oh my gosh. Abby. Yeah!
Ah!
Oh, I was going the wrong way. What's going on?
Oh no. Oh no. Don't lose it. You worked so...
I was going the wrong way. Oh man, I got too excited. Okay, got it. That's awesome. So, this button, let's see what it does. Because we have the sound. I can turn the sound on and off. Right? That's pretty cool. It adds different sounds. Okay.
Or one sound.
It's pretty loud. One sound. There's this button at the top. Turns the lights off. Okay, so we can turn those off if we want to, if you don't like the police lights on a construction vehicle. And then this one on the top, let's see. Oh, okay, it does them both at the same time for me.
Nice.
Well, that is nice. I like that. And I'm guessing I can raise it. I like that. So then you don't have to try to coordinate both at the same time. This is cool. I love these Huina Toys RC construction vehicles.
Okay, I want to drive this.
Oh yeah, sorry. Probably should let you drive it. All right, before you go, and I see you're lining up there, cheating a little bit. No, before you go, it's okay. It does come with the rechargeable battery that I showed you guys, little USB charger, the controller, the whole vehicle, which is awesome. You didn't have to put it together or anything. It comes ready to run. And then the instructions, not an TheRcSaylors sticker. The instructions, so that's kind of cool. Tells you what everything does. Yeah. I think you got it there, Abby.
What is the crane? How do you get
Swing it. The shoulder buttons. The shoulder buttons.
Oh.
Yeah. It's always fun to like hit the buttons and see what it does, isn't it? Oh my gosh, Abby, you're gonna knock it down. You're gonna do so much better than me.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go!
Oh, you got the swing. See, if you get it swinging, it can dodge it. Boom! It's fun to just keep like taking hits at it.
Drop it.
That's up to you. Crunch! It's like a pendulum. Once it starts swinging, yeah. There you go. Just drag it down. Look out, Popeye! Look out below!
Okay. You know what? You know what I think about this? This is what I think about this.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You'll see.
I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. Oh no! Oh no!
I like this method better.
Oh, you're using the arm! How did you do that? You totally missed. You completely missed. But keep lowering the arm. I want to see how low that.
As low as it goes.
No, really?
Think.
Oh, okay. So then it just starts going opposite. Okay. All right. Well, that's all right.
Towers.
That is the smartest tower ever. You got this, Abby. Now you could drive it up a little closer and then the arm is lower.
No, I'm working on it.
Take it out, Abby, take it out.
Am I gonna hit it?
Boom, yeah. Crunch. That's so cool. I love these Huina toys. There you go, piece by piece. One piece at a time. The thing is gonna fall off the edge of that. Now be careful, be careful. Oh no. Woo! Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh, it's okay, buddy. Give me your toy. It's okay. She's going crazy, huh? She's going crazy. Well, guys, in the next Huina Toys video, I'm going to show you another new Huina Toys. And oh no! Don't break my new truck. Don't break my new truck. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well, in the next Huina Toys truck video we do, I think it's going to be like an entire collection video, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys. What do you think of this thing, Abby?
I like it. It's fun.
It's fun. It's so unique, isn't it? And it's so far under $100. I think that's amazing. Are you going to try to get the hook lined up?
See if I can do it faster than you.
It's harder than you would think. Because see, you get the pendulum swing going. And you got blocks there. Now look at that. But look, there's actually... It's like...
No!
Oh, no way! No way! You did it! Oh my gosh.
You look like a chump.
Yeah, you did. Oh, well, that's because I am. Oh, look at that. You are just rocking and rolling with this thing. Okay. Okay. Look at you go. Guys, if you want to pick one of these up, I would totally add one to your collection. Like, if you're going to get any of the Huina's toys, this is the most unique by far. It is so cool. If you want to check one out for yourself, we'll have it linked in the description box below. And seriously, if you're remotely interested, I would pick one up while it's under $60. That is amazing. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
I'm still kind of playing around with this. Even after the video is over, I should tell you guys how much I like it. I wanted to see how much, well, I was actually just messing around with a few of the controls. And then I was like, whoa, this actually has a really long hook. And I think that is right there. That's the full length of it. So that's really cool. Look how long that is. Look at this.
That's cool.
Yeah. Just, I mean, I was talking to Abby when we were just playing around with this, even when the video was turned off.
Well, I said he has a collection on his shelf, and I said you gotta lower it and make sure it's gonna fit on the shelf, right?
Right, and then I'm just like playing around with this, and I'm thinking the amount of engineering in this for $60 is insane. I just, this blows my mind. We buy, you know, we got $60 little four-wheel drive RC trucks, and sometimes they're disappointing, and this thing, it just does so much. I'm honestly really impressed. I hope you guys are too. I just really appreciate this. Personally, I think it's probably worth a couple $100. I mean, I don't know how they do it for 60 bucks. This is just insane. So cool. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye! Can I say it again?
Yes.